Motorized bicycle update. Well, I haven't posted in a while because it wasn't running for me. I've been having a lot of problems. Not sure what it was. I wasn't getting spark, so I kind of do know what it was. I wasn't getting spark, so I opened up this little case right here and the magnet in there, and I checked the magnet and realized the little wood drift key, little keyway in there, broke. It was breaking, so I'm sure my timing was coming out. So I went to Ace Hardware and bought a wood drift key and had to file it down to get it to fit it to be the right size. Got it in there, really snug fit, so I ended up taking a hammer and hitting the magnet and to get it down, which was the stupidest thing ever, because by hitting the magnet with a hammer, it destroyed the magnet. So then I had to order a magnet. I was having carburetor problems. The old carburetor I had wasn't working. I ordered another one of these carburetors right here, and then that one didn't work. And then I ordered another one, and luckily this one's working. Since then I have made a boost bottle. My crap paint job, I use cheap paint from Lowe's, and yeah, it's cheap. Still got the horn on, just put that back on now. Got that hooked up. This has got a little fitting there on the top of the PVC pipe with two end caps glued on, and some fuel line, excuse me, running down and around. I did it around like that, so it's actually off the head. It's closed, but it's off, it's fine. And then I just drilled and tapped into the intake manifold there. Got some heavy duty fuel line on both fuel lines on the boost bottle and the carburetor. Got the performance ignition coil on there. Seems to make a difference. Hooked up a spring activated chain tensioner. I mean, it isn't the prettiest, but you know what? Let's see if I can do this. As you can see, it functions, kinda. Actually, no, it's not functioning right now. I don't know, I need to still work on it. For some reason it's not sliding good. I need better springs is what the problem is, I think. But the concept's there. Or the leverage ain't enough. That could be what I did wrong. But either way, that is what that is. I could easily fix that. I give it more leverage in the back there. You know, just extend where the springs go, extend out a little bit. But yeah, and besides that, everything else has been okay, I think. Got the new banana pipe exhaust on there. Got the little hanger piece I just attached again on there to make sure it's not stressing too much on those head bolts. And yeah, she's running good right now. Running good right now. Hopefully it stays that way for a little while. Got a new spark plug in there. Nice boot on it that comes with that performance ignition. Yeah, looking good. Come a long way, I'll tell you. It's been a work in progress for a while, but it's coming together. Well, it's came together, and right now it seems to be working good. So knock on wood. Talk to you later. I think I need to reach better. I don't know. No matter how rich I get, it doesn't seem to run right. But it's running better than it was, as you can hear. Let's see how it rides. cold, so it's bogging right now. It always does when it's cold, it bogs out. Getting better now. This is a cul-de-sac. I normally pull the clutch in, but I can't because I got one hand. This is going to be the end of the series of my motorized bicycle. You heard it run, it's running now. It needs some tuning still. Maybe I need to get one of them CNS carbs. I think that's what they call them. I'm not sure, don't quote me on that. Maybe I need one of them, I don't know. Try a different spark plug again. Try different gaps on it. I thought it already had the ignition, performance ignition. Banana pipe. The chain tensioner. I haven't showed that, but I'll show that for the end of this video. Which is working better now. Push down on it so you can see it operate. And as you can see, it keeps the tension for me. You just see. Yep. Two of them on it. Make sure that don't come off. Drilled and tapped that. PVC pipe, 2 end caps. Drilled and tapped that. Horn still on there. Muffler clamp. Yep. Well, hope you enjoyed the series. This is the end of it. Thanks for watching.